Hey folks, I want to welcome you to video number 7. I'm going to be talking to you a little bit more about SEO, and we talked a little bit earlier on another video about keywords everywhere. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and hooked up keywords everywhere on this computer. I normally use my laptop for doing my keyword research. So I wanted to get it all set up on my desktop here so I can actually do a video and show you with this. And so again, go to keywords everywhere, put your email in there. You're going to get an API sent to you through your email. And then you're going to go ahead and put that API in. You're going to download. So if you go to, go to Google, keyword everywhere plugin. Okay, right there, plug in Chrome. And it's right there. Now I've already added it, okay, but it's going to have you add it through there. And then once you've done that, you should see it up there. Now, if it's not up there, go to this little thing here and you might want to pin it. So sometimes you have something like, okay, I don't use this anymore. So you can unpin it. But when I first got it, you might want to pin it, okay? And then what you do is you come in here. Now I've spent the $10 and I've got some credits. Look at that, I've got 99,928 credits. So you get quite a few credits for that $10 and you don't use very many of them. If you want to purchase additional credits, just click on there. Now here's the nice thing about that. When you come into, and I'm just going to use the keyword make money online free. Okay, so make money online free. The volume is 5,400 searches per month. The competition is 0.8. Now, you don't want that high of a competition because that's a very competitive keyword. And I'm just using that as an example, okay? So you come over here and you'll have related keywords. Now, you might have to click on here to get more keywords. It'll say for 8 more credits or stuff like that, get them. Okay, but you can look at it here and you want to find something with lower competition. So 0.89, very, very high competitive, okay. 0.116, make money online, free images, okay. Well, if you wanted to write an article on that, I guess that would be something if it was related. But, and see, this is what happens. People get into a niche of make money online and they just want to start writing content on make money online. There's way more words than that. Okay, so we're not going to rank for make money online for free. So let's do this. So let's talk about email marketing. Okay, now you see how you'll get email marketing. You don't even have to enter before you'll start getting all kinds of ideas here. Email marketing strategy. So if you want to write email marketing examples, okay, let's go with this one right here because email marketing strategy is only 0.36. It's not too bad, and it still has 5,400 searches, but look at that, 0.36. Email marketing examples, email marketing strategy examples, email marketing strategy plan. Look at that. That's only 27. Now, there's only 210 searches, but it's 0.27 for a search. Okay. Now, the ideal is, you don't even mind stuff like, but, you don't want to do it on a HubSpot. Email marketing examples, email marketing strategy plan. See, this would probably be something I would write on. And you basically take that keyword, that is your keyword, okay? And let's just say you've got iWriter.com or you've got Upwork.com. So whoever your writer is, give them that keyword and say, I want an article, minimum 600 words, do 1,000 if you can, and get that written up, okay? And then when you're putting your article in here, okay, and you're going to posts, and you've got your article all ready to roll, then what's happening is you're going to take that keyword and you're going to pop it into right there, okay? And then that same keyword, is going to be up here, but you want to make, you don't want the title just to be that. Now, the permalink can be just a keyword. Okay, now I've got and generate solid traffic, that's okay. But when you put the keyword in here, you want to make it a little bit more of an eye-catching, something a little bit more. So the keyword is in there, but like for this, my keyword is how to use videos to make money. Okay, your keyword is email marketing strategy if you're going to use that, right? Okay, so how to use videos to make money. What I did is how to use videos to make money and generate solid income. So you want to kind of make the video, the title, so that someone sees that and it eye catches them. Okay, and then here's what you do. You just follow this. This is perfect. Okay, so you can go down here. Now this site title is too long, so go like that. Perfect. You want to make sure that lights up green. Okay, and then for the meta description, you want to add the keyword in here. And how to use videos. Don't go crazy with this, folks, but it does help a little bit. So you want to put the keyword right there. Videos are a powerful way to really build and grow your brand. Learn how you can start today. Okay. Key is you want to make sure it's green. All right. Come down here. And then where it says SEO analysis, look at this. It'll tell you exactly what you need to do. So key phrase is good. So anything in green. Okay, now don't get obsessive on this. I see so many people, they get so obsessive on this. I don't worry too much about this here. Internal links and outbound links. Okay, that's pretty easy to fix. So what is an internal link? So an internal link is, let me see here. So you come on up here, click on that chain, and 5 steps to make, let's see here. So how to start a blog and make more money. So learn how you can start a blog and make money. Okay. Now, that's not this post here, is it? This is how to use videos. Okay. So I'm going to take that there. I'm going to highlight it, or I'm going to just do that. I'm going to do the chain link option, open in a new tab, and I'm going to put how to start a blog and make money. Okay. So, and I better put a period at the end of that. All right. Now here's, you're going to come down here and you're going to see that the inbound link, and it has an internal link. So let's do an outbound link. So videos. Okay. One of my favorite till this, one of my favorite platforms for uploading videos is still to this day YouTube. Okay, and then that's an outbound link. Okay, and you're going to go https youtube.com. And I mean, click it to other, don't just go to the, I mean, I'm just giving you an example here. And actually let's do something here. Let's get a little bit better here. So a better outbound link would be go to YouTube and go video marketing. Video content, how to use a video. Okay, so I'm going to use this here. I'm going to take his video.
63% of businesses were using video as a marketing tool.
Okay. I'd rather link it out to an actual video link. So let's go out here, let's break that. What was the title of the video? How to use video marketing to grow your business. Okay, so kind of the same thing. Learn other methods to use videos in your marketing. Okay, and this is what's called an outbound link. Okay, click on that, and you're going to pop the URL right in there. You want to make sure it opens link in a new tab. Okay, hit update, and let's go ahead and update here. Don't ever forget to update there. Okay. Now you're going to get, your SEO. You've got an internal link. Oh, what happened to the internal link here? Oh no. Okay. So, what happened here? One of my favorite platforms. Okay, so we don't want this here. And I lost that other line there. Learn. One of my other great posts. Start a blog. Goes great with this if you do not have one yet. Okay, perfect. And I'm going to go ahead and how to start a blog. Got there, open and link a new tab. How to start a blog and make money. Okay, perfect. And I'm going to hit update. Now you'll see that this SEO turns green. Okay, that's what you want to try to do, but don't go too crazy with it. Okay, key phrase introduction. Now, I know readability. There's certain things that's, yeah. I mean, I don't get too carried away with this. I usually edit my content. If it makes sense to me, I'm going to publish it. So I don't go too crazy with this, but usually you'll know, you'll get an idea if you start seeing it. If you start reading it, you'll know what happens. So if you know how to fix that, I know how to fix it, but I don't get too caught up with that. I don't get too worried about it, but don't get obsessive on it, because here's the thing. You want to be repetitive, and money likes speed. If you take things, if you start getting too analytical, start obsessing over different things, you're never going to get things done. So, if for whatever reason you can't get this green, but you've done as much as you can in here, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. As you start making money, you can always come back and fix these. It's not a big deal. Okay, so this is SEO. So just to kind of recap, folks, you're going to make sure you have the keywords everywhere. And then you want to start with, once you have the keywords everywhere, plug in, $10. And this is going to last you more than a month. Okay. You're going to, these credits take forever to run out. But you don't need all these fancy tools, SEO tools that you'll hear people talking about. You don't need these. Okay. You want to look for competition really low. And we're going to be doing more training, but this is just kind of like a basic SEO to kind of really get your content ranking. And but we'll be doing other videos on that. So hope you enjoyed that. This is it for video number 7. And we'll be coming into the next one where we're going to be taking more strategies on how to monetize. And actually, I'm really sorry. Video number 7 was to show you how to monetize. Our video number, this video number 7 was to monetize, but the next one we will be showing you how to monetize in video number 8. Talk to you. Thank you.